this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a very organic looking feather. If you are designing a fashion item with feathers in it, like a feathery headpiece or a feathery necklace, this might be a good way to get started so that you can complete the basic shape. Okay, and it's quite simple to make. So we're going to start by getting the ellipse tool and just click and drag out along ellipse. And then you can give it whatever colour you like. Give this on a purpley colour. Okay, once you've done that, get your direct selection tool, or you could hit A on your keyboard and click on the top anchor point. So one click, and then up here, convert it so it's pointy. And then again, click on the bottom anchor point with your direct selection tool and convert it. Okay, now we're going to get the pencil tool. So the pencil tool is located behind the shaper tool and the smooth tool. You can hit N on your keyboard to bring it up quickly. We're just going to double click on that icon and make sure the fidelity is turned all the way up to smooth. This will make your path a lot smoother, especially if you're working on the computer. Now, first of all, we have to select this feather. We're just going to make these little cutout shapes. But to do that, we need to select the feather. Now go back to your pencil tool. See, your feather's still selected. And you're going to draw on the path and make these little wavy shapes and finish on the path like that. And then start on the path, finish on the path. See, that line's quite bumpy, but since we turned up the fidelity all the way to smooth, it sort of irons it out. That was no good. So you have to draw along the path to start and finish. Okay, that's all right. Now at the top of these feathers, they're a little bit more organic rather than these ones, which are quite geometric. So to fix that up, we're going to use the pencil tool again. So just select your feather, grab the pencil tool, and then you can alter the path that way just by drawing along it. My pencil tool, make sure the feather's selected, grab the pencil tool. And then we can use the smooth tool with the object selected just to fix up any bumps you're unhappy with. I think the rest of it's pretty much okay. Okay, now we need to make the, I'll call it the stem, I'm not sure what they call it. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to swap over my fill and my stroke outline. I don't want to fill, I just want the stroke outline, and I'll make that a darker colour. I'm going to grab my curvature tool and just create a curvy line. That'll do. Okay, I'm going to go into my stroke panel by going Window, Stroke, increase the weight of the line until it's just slightly thicker. Round the ends by clicking on Round Cap, and then to taper the ends so they're pointy at the ends and a bit thinner, I'm going to select that option there. Now I'm going to go Object and Expand Appearance, so the line is going to turn into a shape. And then I'm going to give it, so double click on the stroke, I'm going to give it a stroke outline. There we go. And that is your feather done and dusted. So you can drag a rubber band around that and group it together by going Command G or Object Group, and then hold down Alt and drag out a couple of copies. Go into your Direct Selection tool or hit A on your keyboard and select the feather, and then you can colour them all sorts of different colours. There we go.